What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Chevy flip key. So this flip key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove this back cover. If we look down by the key ring, we're going to see this little notch down here. If you put your screwdriver in it like that, then you can pry up and that back will come off. And now we can see our battery right here. Take our screwdriver and kind of get in here. And for this part, if you have a little bit of a smaller screwdriver, actually probably work a little easier. I'm gonna grab our new battery and make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Like that. Grab our back, go ahead and snap that back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.